This video is going to help you understand how to use RAZ Kids with your child at home. The first thing that your child's going to have to do when they log on to the app is find their teacher's name. Teachers that they've previously had in past years could also still have their name on your screen, so you want to make sure that you choose the correct teacher. Since your child has used this app in the classroom, the teacher's name should be listed there and you'll be able to click on it to log in. If you're having trouble logging in and can't determine the username, please contact your child's teacher. After your child is logged in with the correct username, they will need to find their name on the class page. Once they click on their name, they'll need to type in their student password. All students have been given a password by their teachers. If your child doesn't remember what their password is, please have them contact their teacher. After your child is all logged in, it's time for them to start reading. Click on the Level Up spaceship to find books for your child. All of the books inside of their spaceship have been chosen based on specific reading skills that your child is working on with their classroom teacher. When you open up the Level Up spaceship, you will see all kinds of books for your child. I'm going to show you exactly how we want your child to be reading these books. I've made 3 circles on our page, a green, yellow, and red circle. The green circle shows what your child should be doing every day. The first icon has headphones. This means that your child is going to listen to the book first. After they're done listening to the book, then they get to actually try reading the book independently. That's what the book symbol is in the middle. The very last symbol that you see is a question mark. At the end of every book, there will be specific comprehension questions for your child to answer. Once they have completed the listening, reading, and question section, they are finished with that book. If you look at the book that's circled with a yellow circle, this student listened to the book, read the book, but didn't answer the questions. And the red circle, all this child did was listen to the story. We want them to be listening, reading, and answering the comprehension questions. As I mentioned on the last slide, your child will be answering comprehension questions after they read a story. They will have a total of 5 comprehension questions to answer. They can read the question and then select the answer and then move on to the next question. RAZ Kids has a feature of a speaker that will allow the children to press the button and have the question read out loud to them. This will support children who are having trouble reading the questions and answers independently. Simply click on the gray box and the words will be read out loud. After your child has answered all 5 questions correctly, they're finished with that book. They can click on the home button to go back and find some other books. They will receive stars for the books that they read.